To demonstrate Ngencos Self Healing Properties by applying hot water to light marks and scratches, we sprayed one side of this vehicle with our clear protective film and the other with our matte protective film. Starting with the side coated with our matte protective film, we worked the surface using a small nylon brush, creating the kind of blemishes that could come through harsh or repeated cleaning. Boiling hot water is then poured over the damaged area, and within moments, the marks have completely disappeared. We repeat this process on the area covered with our gloss PPF. Once more, hot water is poured over the surface, and in a short period of time, these marks have also been eliminated. For more information on Ngenco or our products, go to our website ngenco.com or check out more videos like this on our YouTube channel.